Good morning, student. In this class, we'll study about change of state. So the change of state says the process of change from one state to another, either by absorption or rejection of heat at a constant temperatures. This is very important that we should understand that it takes place at a constant temperature, which is called change of state. Now there are many changes which take place, and the first change which we will take, that is melting. Now what is melting? We have already studied this melting in our previous classes also, that melting take place when solid is being heated and heat is being absorbed by the atmosphere and it changes to liquid. For example, ice to water. What happened? Ice absorbs the heat from the atmosphere. When the ice cubes is being taken out from the freezer box, it absorbs the heat from the atmosphere and changes to liquid. And the reverse of melting is freezing or fusion. What happens in this? When liquid rejects the heat, and it gets cooled, that process is called freezing or fusion. The liquid freezes into solid at same fixed temperature is called freezing or fusion. The next change which is taking place is vaporization, which is also called as boiling. Now when liquid changes into gases by absorption of heat at a fixed temperature, this is called vaporization. For example, when you take a water in a bowl and keep it on a stove, after a few minutes you will see that water gives out vapors. Now this process is called vaporization. And reverse of vaporization is condensation. When the vapors is being collected on a lid, that lid have liquid droplets, which is called as condensed form of liquid, and the process is called as condensation. Our next change is sublimation. This is very important and new for you. It says when solid directly changes into gaseous form by absorption of heat is called sublimation. Now for sublimation, you can take the example of camphor, which is called kapoor in Hindi, or iodine or naphthalene balls. When you will give heat to this substance will directly change into gases. This process is called sublimation. And the reverse of sublimation is deposition, which says that the gases on being cooled directly changes into solid without getting changed into liquid. This process is called deposition. Class, remember this, that in sublimation and deposition, the substance do not change into liquid. The solid directly changes into gases. This process is called sublimation, and reverse of sublimation is deposition. So we can revise it once again, that reverse of melting is fusion,